Today we are covering the most fundamental question on the FAA Part 107 exam. Who actually needs a remote pilot certificate? The answer hinges on one key factor: the purpose of your flight. The FAA splits drone operations into two distinct categories: commercial and recreational. If your flight is for a business purpose, you fall under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 107, and you absolutely need that certificate. If you are flying purely for fun, you fall under the exception for limited recreational operations, or 49 U.S.C. 44-809, which requires passing the free Trust Safety Test instead. This distinction is the number one thing the exam will try to trip you up on. The term commercial is broader than just getting paid for a flight. The FAA defines it as any operation in furtherance of a business. This is where exam questions get tricky. For example, a real estate agent taking photos of a listing for free is still a commercial operation because it furthers their real estate business. A construction manager documenting job site progress for internal company reports is also commercial, even though no money is exchanged for the drone flight itself. The flight is incidental to their business. Another classic exam trap involves social media. If you take drone videos on vacation and post them to a YouTube channel that is monetized with ads, that is a commercial operation. The intent to generate revenue, even indirectly, pushes the flight into Part 107 jurisdiction. The exam will present you with these types of scenarios and ask which rules the pilot must follow. You need to analyze the pilot's intent. Is it strictly for personal enjoyment, or does it provide any value to a business or organization? A simple mental shortcut to remember this is, if it helps the business in any way, you must obey Part 107. Recreational flying is strictly for personal enjoyment. Taking photos for your own photo album or flying in your backyard with family are clear examples. The moment you use that same flight footage to promote a business or sell a service, you have crossed the line into commercial operations, and Part 107 applies. Understanding this distinction between commercial and recreational intent is not just important, it is the foundation for almost every other topic on the Part 107 exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.